You would not believe how fucking cool yesterday's experience was. And I don't mean cool in the literal sense as in it was cold. It was really fucking cold. But me and Dan went to see Wim Hof and it was so awesome. I'm sitting here in our living room now and just went through the breathing and retention exercise that they take you through, and it has an awesome amount of benefits. And I took a couple of screenshots. I'll share them. Hopefully it's not intellectual property or anything that'll get me in any strife, but yeah, it's really good. It's kind of like a form of meditation, and like just that little 5 minutes then like put me on absolute cloud nine, and gives you such a sense of focus and clarity, like momentarily in that moment, but also like even right now. And I was feeling a bit tired. I just spoke to Dan on the phone and said, I'm just feeling a bit weary middle of the day, and I might just go through the breathing exercise and just see how it makes me feel. And yeah, fucking sensational. I definitely want to keep this up as well as part of one of the 66-day habit routine things. And cold showers was another one. Started that yesterday. Again, more benefits. I'll share the screenshots. I'll pop them up so that we can see them. I might even put them into a video so that if someone's watching this on YouTube, they can maybe pause it and have a look as well. And obviously you can always Google Wim Hof to sort of see everything that he's doing. The Wim Hof method, I think, is his website, wimhofmethod.com. And one of the things that Dan and I both took away from this whole experience was that everything that we're doing, all of these books that we're reading, all of this motivation that we're doing together, and people that we're following, and it's always to do with you've got to get your mind in a game, or you've got to be focused, or you've got to be positive, or you've just got to attract things to your life. And and some people don't follow that. Some people think, oh yeah, rah, it's bullshit. But watching this dude yesterday, Wim Hof, he is the absolute pinnacle of what you can put your mind to. So that's fucking proof in the pudding. It's not just success, it's not just money, it's not a career or anything like this. He is absolute physical, scientific proof that whatever you can put your mind to, you can achieve. And it was so fucking inspiring. And just, yeah, it made both Dan and I think of, wow, like this whole group, this what we've got together, it's about putting ourselves in the right mind frame and trying to encourage each other that we can do the things that we can chase down the goals that we want, we can do the things we say we're going to do, and not to let discouragement bring us down or prevent us from doing anything. And it just reiterates that everything that we're doing is possible. Everything that we set out to do, we can achieve. And it's really, really exciting time to be alive. And I'm really stoked. So let's just keep going. I love it. And I love this group, and I love everything that we're doing. And I'm really stoked. And yeah, keen to share more experiences. And I'm just going to tack on to the end of this some of the stuff from yesterday, and check out how cool it is. Literally.
Straight down. See if you can get your heart above. See if you can get your heart below the ice. Breathe. Keep in control. Breathe. Fully in. And let go. Fully in. And let go. Exhale. Take a slow the breathing down. In. Let's go. Let go.
How's that?
Good, relax.
Breathe deep into the blood inside. Pulling in. Arms in. Let go. Let go.
If I don't make this Oh, you're shaking, Dan, but you're obviously really cold. Josh and Rita, thank you so much for the birthday present. It was wicked. You could hear Wim Hof singing in the background as we're submerged completely in that ice, and it was fucking pretty cool. Had an awesome episode. This is what everyone's getting into. It's great. Dan is shaking.
Yeah.
Mind over matter. That's what it's about.
Get some footage of Hoff now.